Hi everyone, welcome back to Tool Report. Today we're testing out the Atomic Compact Series hammer drill with 2 speeds. It is a 15-speed clutch. We're going to set up the hammer feature, which is right here. We're going to test. This is model number DCD709. I think this is a really nice little drill, and we're going to test it out on these landscape pavers and the little brick right here and see how well it performs. We have it on speed 1, so let's see that first. Doing a good job, but we're going to kick it up a notch with speed number 2. There we go, almost 1.5 inches. And let's take this out. Yep, there you go. That's a pretty good hole right there. It did a good job. So yeah, if you're in the market for a small handy drill, I would go up and pick one of these. And right now they come out with a kit where you can get this, another small impact driver, and the power stack batteries. It's a really good deal. Again, the model number for this is DCD709. If you like the video, like and subscribe. See you in the next one.